With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, in this question is given that 200 person have skin disease, okay, and of which 120 person are affected with chemical C1, 50 are affected with chemical C2, and 30 with chemical C1 and C2 both. Okay, then three parts are given. We need to find the number of person who in first part it is given are affected with C1 or C2. Okay, so before starting this question, let's add given data. Here it is given that 120 person are affected with C1. So number of person affected with C1 chemical, it is 120. Okay, 50 with C2. So means number of person affected with chemical C2, it is equal to 50, and 30 with C1 and C2. So C1, C2, and means they are affected with both, and both means they are occurring in both the event C1 and C2, and here we will use intersection because it is occurring in both the event. So number of elements in person in C1 and C2, it is equals to 30. Now in first part what we need to find? We need to find number of elements C1, okay, number of people affected with C1 or C2. So C1, or means we need to consider both the cases, so we will use union C2, okay, or represents union basically. So we know formula for this. This is part first, okay. Number of elements, union is given by two set of union. It is sum of their individual elements C1 and C2 minus their intersection C1 intersection C2. This is the formula, we know this. Okay, let's put the value in this formula. This value is 120 plus 50 it is given to us, okay, minus intersection value is 30, okay. So 120, and here 50 minus 30 will be 20, so it will be 140. So number of person affected with C1 and C2, it is equals to 140. Now part B, we need to find affected with C1 but not C2. So C1 not C2 case means we need to consider C1 but not C2, means we need to subtract C2 from this, okay. And let's write equation for part 3 also. Affected with C2 but not C1. So C2 but not C1, here what I'll write? C2 not C1. It means third part, this is third part. Number of person who are affected with C2 but not with C1 means subtract C1. Okay, now we know a formula for this. We are talking about C1 but not the elements of C2 included. So number of elements in C1 and subtract their intersection. Okay, this will remove all the elements of C2 from C1. Similarly here, number of elements in C2 minus number of elements in their intersection. This will also remove all the elements, okay. Now put the values in these two conditions. Let's solve this first, okay. C1 it is given 120, okay, minus intersection is what? 30. So 120 minus 30, it will be equals to 90. So part B answer is 90. Let's write here equals to 90. Now come to part 3. Okay, C2 value is given to us in the question. It is equals to 50. Minus intersection is 30. 50 minus 30 will be 20. So number of people affected with C2 but not C1, it is equals to 20. So these are our all answers. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.